Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English AI. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we have a super practical episode for all our travelers and beginners.
If you're planning to visit London, New York, Sydney, or any English-speaking country, you need to know how to use public transport confidently. No more getting lost or feeling shy.
Exactly. In this episode, we'll give you all the essential English phrases you need, from buying tickets to asking for help. Ready? Let's go.
First, before you even leave home, preparation.
Yes, you need to understand ticket types.
You can say, a single to Oxford Street, please. One-day travel card, please. Can I pay with contactless?
Perfect. And don't forget to download Google Maps or City Mapper offline.
Now you're at the station. What do you say?
Super easy.
Excuse me, which platform is for the airport?
Is this the right train for Times Square?
And if you hear announcements, the train is delayed by 10 minutes, or change here for the red line.
If you're lost, just say politely, "Can you help me, please? I think I'm lost."
Great. Now you're on the train or bus.
Here are the most useful phrases.
Excuse me, could you tell me when we reach Piccadilly Circle?
Is this the stop for the Eiffel Tower? Wait, wrong country. I mean Empire State Building.
And when it's crowded, excuse me, may I pass? Would you like my seat? Especially for elderly or pregnant ladies.
If someone asks you, "Are you getting off at the next stop?" you reply, "Yes, I am," or "No, please go ahead."
Now the tricky part, transfers and exiting.
Say this, "Does this bus connect to the blue line? How do I transfer to the green line?"
If the line is delayed, is there another way to get to the museum?
When you want to exit, "Excuse me, where is the exit for Fifth Avenue?"
Let's do a quick role play.
Okay, imagine we're in London Underground.
Excuse me, is this the right train for Buckingham Palace?
Yes, it is, but change at Green Park.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Mind the gap.
Mind the gap, famous British warning.
Pro tips time.
Always say please and thank you. People love it.
In UK and Australia, speak quietly and queue properly.
In USA, you can be a bit more friendly and chatty.
And if you lose something, "I left my backpack on the train to Heathrow. Where is the lost property office?"
Wow, that was so useful. Let's do a quick recap.
Sure. Buying ticket, a single to. At station, which platform is. On board, could you tell me when we reach? Transfer, does this connect to? Pro tip, always be polite.
Now your practice challenge.
Go to the comments and write, "I want to go to" your dream destination and use at least 3 phrases we learned today. We will reply and correct you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a big like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications.
Share this with your friend who is planning to travel abroad.
Comment below, which country are you planning to visit? Or tell us your scariest public transport story.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and you'll sound like a local in no time.
See you in the next episode. Airport English is coming soon.
Bye everyone. Safe travels.